Okay, I'm going to go over the structures of the eye. Starting with extrinsic eye muscles, we have superior rectus. We have the attachment for the superior oblique muscle. We have our inferior rectus and our inferior oblique. If we turn to the back, we can see the optic nerve, and we know that our medial rectus is closer to the optic nerve than our lateral rectus. So we have medial and lateral rectus. We have the outer fibrous tunic, which is the sclera and the cornea. Remember, C stands for clear, C stands for cornea. If we remove the outer fibrous tunic, we can see the middle vascular layer called the choroid. It's C-H-O-R-O-I-D. And here we have the colored portion called the iris, and the opening in the iris is referred to as the pupil. If we remove the vascular layer, we can look inside to see the beige retina. We have our optic nerve with the central retinal artery and central retinal vein. Here we have the optic disc. Remember that the rods and cones are found in the retina, and it's the axons of the ganglion cells that merge together to form the optic disc, which goes to the thalamus before going to the visual cortex in the occipital lobe. On this model, you can see the macula lutea. Here we have the ora serrata, that's the serrated mouth. You can see the little jagged edges right here. We also have the red portion, which is the ciliary body, the little white lines, which are the suspensory ligaments. The suspensory ligaments hold the lens in place, and this large clear portion is our vitreous humor. So if I put a tag on this big clear plastic ball, you would tell me that is vitreous humor. Now, I'm going to pause this for just a second and go on with a different eye. Okay, so on this eyeball, we have the iris, the pupil. You've got your sclera. Here you can see the vascular layer, the choroid. Here you can see the retina. But on this eyeball, what I really wanted to show you, I'll take this apart. Okay, and here we have not only the macula lutea, but we've got that little spot in the center, which is the fovea centralis. The fovea centralis has the greatest concentration of cones. Remember, cones are for sharp color vision, and the rods and cones are found throughout the retina. Again, here's your central retinal artery and vein, the optic nerve, and this dark stuff here would be the ciliary body, and this would be the ora serrata on this model.